In view of the evolving scientific evidence and global practices, the Union Health Ministry on Wednesday revised the duration between the second COVID vaccine dose and precautionary dose from the existing 9 months to 6 months. The Standing Technical Subcommittee of the NTAGI in June recommended reducing the gap between the second and precaution doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. In a letter to states and union territories, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said it has now been decided that the precaution dose for all beneficiaries from 18 to 59 years will be administered after completion of 6 months or 26 weeks from the date of administration of second dose at private COVID vaccination centers, it added. The Health Secretary said that for beneficiaries aged above 60 years, and for healthcare workers and frontline workers, a precaution dose would be administered after completion of 6 months or 26 weeks from the date of administration of second dose at government CVCs, free of charge. Corresponding changes have been made in the CoWIN system to facilitate the new dispensation. Instructions in this regard may be issued to all the concerned officials and it may also be publicized widely. I look forward to your support and leadership for extending the benefits of precaution dose to all due beneficiaries at COVID vaccination centers as well as at household level during the ongoing Har Ghar Dastak 2.0 campaign, Bhushan wrote in the letter.